Hey, what's up, guys? Merry Christmas 2022. I can't believe it's the end of the year already. I just worked 10 hours at my favorite job of my life, the local Chinese restaurant that I've been working at for the last few months. Absolutely amazing job. I've had my Mac in my car, and I'm recording on my Mac exactly how I've been driving around with this waterfall and the Diamond Sutra in the top left corner, just enjoying the waterfall next to me while I'm delivering food all day. Alright, so I'll make a video at some point explaining how I got my iMac desktop computer put in my car here, but there's really nothing to it. I really just bought a Jackery. Black Friday special, it was $250. With tax, it was $270, and it's just perfect. It plugs into my car's cigarette lighter, so that the Jackery is always recharging itself all the time, and it always keeps a mostly full charge as a portable power supply. And that's more than enough to keep my desktop computer running in my car all day long, no matter how many times I turn my car off and on, and my car has that momentary cutout of its electricity in the cigarette lighter. So that was the only problem for running my computer all day, and the Jackery is an awesome solution for that. And then the Mac itself is just propped up in the right way on the edge of the seat and pressed against the dashboard and the passenger side door. It's just in the right spot that the gravity is pulling it down to stay in the same spot.